Hi there, I'm Kevin Roper, Roper Properties. Is this the one, the place in the sun? Beautiful day again in Lanzarote. So here we are in the centre of the old town, literally just a small walkway and you're straight on the marina of the old town in Puerto del Carmen. So it's pretty flat, ideal position. It's a 2-bedroom property in immaculate condition. I'd like to show you around this property, very, very quaint. Just a small complex of 5 apartments. So it's one of those little jewels in the old town of Puerto del Carmen. So let's have a look around. As you can see, a very spacious terrace, very private. So you're just in the corner here. And then we walk through and we're into the lounge, kitchen. Absolutely beautiful. You can see it's a high quality property. Fitted kitchen with everything. People are a nice residential property. People are actually living here residentially. So you're now just walking into the bathroom, shower room, walk-in shower. The property has air conditioning throughout as well. So we're just going down now the hallway to the main bedroom here. Very spacious bedroom. Nice and light. And you come along and we have the other bedroom here. So back through to the lounge. So there we have it, super property, immaculate, nothing to do here. Key in the door, everything's done. Air conditioned, just a super property in the centre of the old town in Puerto del Carmen. I look forward to showing this property to you. Don't forget, get on our email list, get on our website, you'll get this first. Thank you, all exclusive properties. Thank you.